Well, the first thing you would do, of course, is put the car in park, turn the engine off, set your emergency brake. Then you'd have to get to where your jack is. Usually on our car, you would raise the trunk, and it's in the bottom portion of where the trunk is. The spare tire's there. Also, your jack and all your equipment that you would need to use. You would get your jack out. The instruction manual is always on the back side of the spare tire cover, and it's a step-by-step instruction that anyone could actually do. Once you get the lug nuts loose, the tire is real simple. You just pick it up and just pull it straight off. Put the tire back up, start your lug nuts back on, make sure they're all tightened up with the wrench that's provided, and at that point you can let the jack down. You come back to Andrew's Cadillac and we can repair the tire or replace it. You can just call 373-3800 and get to our service department, and we can dispatch someone out to help you at that time.